Just taking my Professor Cortex out for some coffee. See if he gets to meet any new friends. Somebody bought some treats for this dog, but the treats aren't that suitable for kitties because it's kind of hard and it's really big too. Well, turned out they got some freeze-dried chicken for him too. The fact that he can eat in the presence of this dog, that's good. Just chowing down the stuff. You know, we saw this cat before in a previous video where the rootin' chicken was rescued. It's that cat. Come here. See, that's the thing. With cats, you can't really dangle stuff like that in front of them and expect them to do the same. You're gonna get clawed in the face. Oh, this cat is so chill. See, the funny thing is Professor Cortex knows when we're home. He does. Please join our Patreon. It means a lot to small creators like us, and it can keep our channel alive. Thanks, meow. The funny thing is, he has a preference for certain elevators. Okay, when the doors open, he knows his drill. Gotta watch out for his tail, though. I don't know what it is, but he's usually really anxious when we're about to be home. He's like, oh, let me out, let me out, let me out. Oh, there we go. He knows we're home. Thank God I held on to my coffee tight. Oh, wow. Welcome home, Professor Cortex.